Alright, guys, how you all? Suman, Sai, Karim, Vishal, Easy, Lakshmi Narayan, Prashant, both the Prashants, Hemant, Naveen, Akram, Aditya, Venkat, Surendra. Guys, I'm audible. How are you all? How was your
Yes, bro.
weekend?
Yes, bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
we are fine. What about you?
Oh, I'm good. Okay, I really do like, when
Mm.
it's from both the sides, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. Others? Okay, fine. No problem. Good. Okay. No, sir. Just call me Jay. No problem. Okay. Cool. Before starting, I'll give a small introduction about myself. Okay. So I will just quickly share my screen and put up something for you people so that there is something for you to look at. Okay. And obviously there'll be my video going on. Um, Share. Okay. Fine. So okay. So is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes.
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Good, good, good. Thanks. Thank you for, all the responses out there. Okay. So, uh, you know what I'll do? I'll just close my WhatsApp better. Okay. And present this up. And I'll also take my thing off the screen so that you can completely see the whole screen. Okay. Okay. Cool. So, uh, first things first. My name is Jay Kishan Naik. Okay. You guys can just call me Jay. All right. And I currently work in Amazon. I'm a data associate too. It's a L3 position. And I joined Amazon last year in the month of September. So it's almost been like 8 or 9 months in Amazon as working in operations team. Okay. I take care of data and I work on search. Okay. Now, what does that mean? So whenever you go to Amazon and search something, right? You go and you type something and search. What results are shown? Okay, when people search something, do they actually buy it? If the relevant results are shown, do they buy it or do they not? And if not, why didn't they buy it? What would be the potential reason they did not buy it, right? So this is what I do. These are all the things that I handle in Amazon right now. Okay, and it's been exciting being a part of Amazon from such a long time. And also, welcome to the class, everyone. Okay, so this is a demonstration for you all. Okay, and one thing that we all know, Amazon is a man company, right? One of the big fives of the world. I wouldn't say I was too skillful to get into Amazon, but I did talk a lot. I'm great with communication. So, people who are aiming high, who want to do something actually bigger, right? So I would suggest you to be great at communication. Okay. I did ask you at the very start of the class if anyone wants to introduce themselves. Okay. These are the opportunities that you don't want to miss. Today, if you'd have given you introduction right before the class, I would have never forgotten your name. Okay. Obviously, I won't forget, but still, that's something, right? That's the opportunity that you got and you take the chance. That's what we call luck, right? Opportunity meeting with preparation. Correct? Okay, so before I start, do you guys have any questions for me? You can type in the chat as well, guys. Okay, so Pawan Kumar wants information about the course. Yes, Pawan, we will get to that. I'll give you the whole information about the course. It's clear. What is the agenda for today's lecture? Okay, so the agenda is, first of all, you are going to know your trainer, that is me. Okay. Okay, placement criteria. Okay, cool. Secondly, I'm going to give a small, very small, PPT kind of on why data analytics. Okay, all the exciting things. After that, I'll be taking questions. Okay, the questions that what's the portion, what is the placement criteria, why E2M, right? All these questions I'll take just after the PPT. Would that work? Would that work, guys? Before asking questions, you should know what you're getting into, right? So I'll just give you a small introduction on the course. Would that be great? Should we continue? Come on, any replies? Yes, no? Career gap students can enroll, can get calls from company. Aditya, the very short answer for this, that is yes, absolutely yes. I myself have a career gap, so don't worry about it. Okay, cool then. If everyone seems okay, so yeah, let's start and then I'll take all your questions. Okay. Okay. So as you know, my name is Jagishan from Amazon. All right. So firstly, I'll put this very very quick. Okay. I'm a guy who don't like theory. I like practical a lot. So this course is all about the practical hands-on experience. Okay. And this is not school or college. I'm not a teacher. I'm a trainer. I work in Amazon. I'm a corporate person, right? I'll teach you what I do at a man company. Nothing else. Okay. Cool. So what is data? Imagine this is me. And then I have my name, I have my phone number, I have my age, I have my address, right? So this is data. The information about me. Jai Kishan, phone number 81234, age, right, 25, 26, and then address, Bangalore, right? These are all the things that are the properties of me, that are the information related to me. So this is data, guys. Any information can be data. Okay, as simple as that. Then what is data analysis? You know, gather all the information, clean it, study the data, and then put it in a nice dashboard. Okay. Now that's all about data analytics from a very, very broader way. Okay. It's like, I know there are a lot of cricket fans here. It's like if someone comes and asks you, what is cricket? You will tell them, look at the ball and hit the ball. That is cricket. Okay. But there are so many things, so many parameters in cricket. The same way, what is data analytics? Gather data, clean and study the data and present it in a dashboard. That is data analytics in a very short nutshell answer. Okay, cool. So, for example, if you see this Excel file, this is the data. Okay, this is what the gathered data looks like. Now, the gathered data can come from surveys, observations, experiments, or whatever the existing data sources are, like or online sources like Kaggle, right? Then we can collect data from sensors and IoT devices as well. Okay. Now this is how the Excel file looks. Okay. Now next, we clean it. Okay. Now how do we clean it? We identify the errors and we see where are the inconsistencies. Okay. Sometimes we delete the data. We handle the missing values. We do some correction and outlier handling. And then, we deal with the inconsistent data. That's it. Once we do that, now we have started from this, we went to this, and lastly we put it in a dashboard like this. Okay, now dashboard is, you have to make sure what type of visualization you want to do, which tool you want to use, and what design principle you want to use. Okay, imagine starting from this and ending up with a fabulous dashboard like this, right? This is a good level thing. All right. So this is the whole thing what data analyst does. Now, why data analytics? Okay. I'll give you 10 solid reasons. Okay. The first nine will not excite you at all. but the 10th one will obviously excite you. Okay. Firstly, you'll make informed decisions and you identify patterns and trends, and you improve the efficiency and productivity. Right. Now, what do you mean by identifying trends and patterns? Now, again, going back to cricket, a lot of people understood that Virat Kohli is not that great with playing a six-stump ball outside of, right, in Test cricket. Now they started targeting him there. They got wickets, right? How do we do that? We analyze the past data and we understand something. Okay. Now we can enhance customer understanding also. Like in Amazon, someone searches for maybe a phone, but he did not buy a phone. Why? What happened? Okay. We deep dive into it. We understand it and then we fix it. That's customer understanding. Okay. Then we have risk management. Okay. This comes into finance. Then we have innovations. Right. Then we have competitive advantage, obviously, right? We understand the competition's data, historical data, and understand where the holes are. Okay. Then we can ensure quality and compliance, and then financial performance, obviously, stock market and thing. Lastly, the 10th reason is you are going to guess it. Okay. Can anyone guess what might be the 10th reason why we want to become a data analyst? Quickly, guys, can you take guess? Yes. Yes. What's the guess? I mean, what might be the 10th to get job with good salary? Perfect, say. Yeah. Right. Money, guys, to get a salary, right? High salary of a data analyst. Okay. Now, see, people, yes, exactly, guys, high package. People who are, concerned about AI taking the job of data analyst. It's not like that. It's not easy to, um, make AI think like a human being. Okay. So, they're not performing great at analyzing data. That's why we are irreplaceable at least for next 15, 20 years. So no problem with that. Okay. Now, what is the salary of a data analyst? Right. We are all curious about it. So how much is a data analyst paid? So, globally, the average salary with 2 years of experience is around 50 lakhs. In USA, it might go till 70 lakhs. In some countries like Scotland and Finland, 1 crore and 2 lakhs, 1.02 CR. Okay. What about India? In India, it's somewhere around 10 lakhs. So basically, a data analyst on an average will start with 7 to 8 lakhs of salary. Okay. As a fresher. Now, depending on the current situation, yes, 8 lakh is, an average salary, but 6 lakh is also acceptable. Okay. Now, it can go as high as 60 lakhs. Okay. When I joined Amazon, I had like 16 months of experience. Okay. But I just made good with it. Okay. Cool. Now, what are the real world applications? Now, this is the boring part, but I'll just cover it up. It's healthcare and marketing, sports, retail, finance, and transportation. Now, it covers almost everything. Data has been become a very very important part in today's life, guys. Okay. Cool. With these things, again, I don't want to make it too long for you people. Okay, it just took like what 6 8 minutes, I think. Okay, I'll just finish it off. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, now I'm open for all the questions that you have. I'm seeing that a lot of people, a lot of questions coming in. Okay, cool. Let's go one by one. Okay, from the very first. Now, the first question I got was from Pawan. He wants to know about course. Okay, now Pawan, when you ask me this, I would think that you want to know about the portion that we are covering. Okay, so we will start with Google Sheets, and then we will go to Microsoft Excel, and then we'll do one project in Microsoft Excel, a nice dashboarding project. Okay, after that, we'll go back to SQL, We are going to learn SQL. We are going to learn a little bit of data engineering part also. That would be bonus. Okay. Then we'll learn everything about SQL. Then we have a in-house, a tool to learn and understand SQL well, and quiz thing. Okay, we'll do that. Then we will move on to Python, and in Python we'll be learning whatever is essential for data analysts. Okay, and then after that we are going to move with our dashboarding tools, that is Power BI, Google Looker Studio, Tableau, and we are going to do one project each in each and every um tool. Okay, dashboarding tool. Now, next thing, uh what comes bonus with this? I'm going to make sure that you guys fix up your LinkedIn. I'm going to take a session on LinkedIn and show you how to fix your LinkedIn. I'm also going to show you how to make a nice resume, how to clear the ATS. Okay. And then I'm also going to make sure that you get referrals in Amazon as well, because now I work at Amazon. Okay. Now there are a lot of more things to this. Okay, I'll come back to it, but I'll come back to it later. Okay, let's put this on hold. Okay, that's all about the course. Okay, now next question. Agenda of today's lecture, that's done. How will be the placement criteria? Okay, guys. So basically there is no criteria or anything. Just take admission to the course A2M data analytics course and then attend regularly. Okay. See, I'll just clear up all the air in a one single answer. Okay. Now, I know many of you are thinking about placements, and rightly so. Let me assure you. Okay. The management of E2M is fully committed to supporting every eligible student. Okay. With the job assistant. You won't be let on your own. Okay. After completing the course, you won't be let on your own. There will always be, E2M supporting you, backing you, and getting you all the interviews. Okay. Now, all you have to do is, enroll and attend it regularly. Okay. Now, we will help you build your resume, prepare for your interviews, and even connect you with the job opportunities. Okay. I'll personally guide you through all the processes too. Okay. Whether it's technical doubt or career directions. And compared to many other institutions, right now, why A2M compared to many other institutions? A2M has one, like a lot of major advantage. Some of them are, guys, the fee structure. Okay. It's very affordable because you, me, we both know how affordable, the course value is. Okay. Because we have seen the data analytics course starts from 55,000 minimum. That is upfront. Okay. You have flexibility of fees and the fee structure is affordable. Okay. So why not? And you pay as you learn, and complete the course and complete it and get placed, right? Most importantly, we believe in practical learning and personal mentorship. Okay, you'll have one-on-one sessions also. You won't be lost in a big batch. I'll be with you throughout the journey, and we never take big batches. Okay, we take particular amount of student at each batch. We don't put everyone in a single batch. If you see, when we started, there were a lot of enrollments, but I told that, I want to provide quality. So, first batch, I just took 4 people, groomed them well, got them great. Right now, we have 2 more batches going on with very limited amount of students, a lot of enrollments, but I don't want to mess it up. Okay, that's why I did 2 batches instead of one. Okay, that's how things work at A2M. Okay, okay, now more questions. Right. I think, guys, I'm clear with all the things that you were confused about the, placement and everything. Okay. How will be the placement criteria? No placement criteria, guy. Kareem. Okay. Career gap student can enroll, can get calls from the companies. Okay. So career gap students can enroll. Yes. And secondly, yes, you will get placed. I had a career gap of 6 months because of some health issues. I was in Uber. Okay, and then I left off Uber because I had E. coli bacterial infection. So I was in home for 6 months. Okay, then I restarted, and look at me right now. Okay, and this is like last year's thing, guys, not even a long day ago. Okay, cool. Mm, Can I complete my course in India and get placed in USA? Yes, obviously, Karim. You can. You can complete course anywhere and get placed anywhere. Okay, join a big company and then you'll have great opportunities in the coming time. All right. To get job with okay, that's done. Can you explain the long-term goal in data analytics because it looks like AI has to place anytime in future? Okay, Karim, as I told you guys again that AI is not performing well at analyzing data. Okay. So for the next 15 or 20 years, we don't have to worry about AI replacing data analysts. That's the whole thing that the demand is going up. And even though, people are telling about layoffs and everything, I'm a guy who has changed total of 3 jobs in last 2 years. Uber, Mayhem Studios, and now I'm in Amazon. Okay. So all this a layoff and no jobs and all those things are hus and puff. Don't worry about it. Okay, those are all made by losers who are not getting jobs. Okay, we are here to learn, get ourselves upskill, and get the job. So please concentrate on that. All right. Do we need to learn Python? Okay, I'll take care of that. Okay, whatever amount of Python that you need to learn, I'll take care of that for you. Sai. Course duration, Naveen asks 3 months maximum. Okay, no more than that. 2.5 to 3 months. I'll get everything sorted out in that. BigQuery or MySQL? MySQL. Okay, because MySQL is accepted all over everywhere. Is this helpful to shift from non-IT to IT side? Yes, exactly. That is one of the main reasons. See, this course has been curated. Number one, keeping in mind this is for beginners. Number two, keeping in mind this is for non-IT to IT shifts. Number three, this is for people who want to change their domain. Number four, this is for students who want to upskill themselves. Not students, the IT people who want to upskill themselves. Number five, especially for placements. Okay, these are the five things kept in mind and curated. Okay, I have 1.3 years of experience as executive, so please refer my profile in Amazon. Yes, Satyam, we'll do that for sure. Thank you. Sir, I have career gap 3 years. No problem, Pawan, doesn't matter. When the new batch will start? Very soon. I think just in 12 or 14 more days, we'll start the new batch. As mentioned in the ad of data analytics, you guaranteed. How do you provide it? Provide the placement in India and how much provide placement support in USA. Okay, Karim, now I see that you're very, very keen to, get placed in USA. Okay. See, bro, I'll get you an interview right now for the USA job. But the whole thing is, are you ready? Are you ready with the skills? Okay. That's the whole thing. So until and unless you are not ready with the skills and communication, how are you that sure that you want to get, placed in USA? Because the amount of preparation that has to go in is of another level. Now, what companies will come in and what interviews that you will get will all be the decision of the management. Okay, so that's that. Okay, guaranteed 100% job. How do you provide placements? Okay, now for that, obviously, you'll have to talk to Aniket himself directly. Will be a better person for you to, make you understand that. Freshers can enroll, obviously. Yes, that's how we have curated the whole, course. Can you explain the placement process? How do you do it? Like, can I get some background of that? Yes, very easy. Enroll, learn everything very, very keenly. Okay, finish the course, and then in the course itself, we will be teaching you how to curate your resume and LinkedIn and how to attend a job interview and everything, and then a resume building. Once your resume is done at the end of the class, you can just forward it to Aniket and he'll forward it to all the other companies. So wherever you fit right, you'll get an interview, clear the interview, that's it. Explain pay after placement, fee structure. So fee structure is simple, it's very, very affordable, right? And Aniket would have told you about that. Pay after placement, yeah. For that, please again talk to Aniket. I'm just a trainer, guys. I'm just telling you whatever experience I had with the last 3 batches. Okay, can you provide only placement without course? Okay, Karim, again, that question is for Aniket. Cool. Age limit, there's no age limit. You know, if you just want to learn, then obviously there's no age limit. But if you want to, switch and get a job in data analytics, with this course, then I would say, people above 40 might not be that relevant, but then still okay. If you just want to learn, then above 40 is fine, but below 40 are the best ones. Can you send Aniket's number? Yeah, you'll find it in the WhatsApp group. The one who's messaging, right? Just text him. Okay, any more questions, guys? Guys, any more questions? All clear? Are an MSc Maths. Oh, good. MSc Maths. You guys are, highly demanded in data analytics. Okay. Front end developer, not generated in PF. Companies consider me fresher. Career gap. Any problem? No, Aditya. Doesn't matter. So you have good experience with front end development. You have done masters in mathematics. So I don't think there should be any problem. Interested in course, P after placement advertisement. I saw on Instagram. So Pawan, see if you're interested in course, obviously that's the whole thing, right? You learn the course perfectly and you upskill yourselves. That's when you uh, you know move forward, right? But then again, pay after placements. Please do talk to Aniket about that. Okay, he will give you a better clarity on that. Okay, I'm just a trainer now. I'll just take care of courses and all the other things, but everything will be clear in this demo regarding placement in USC. Currently, I am on F1 looking for placements. Okay, okay, Karim. So, see about USA companies. Okay, Aniket, are you in the call?
Yes, Jay.
Aniket, so Karim is asking that you told him that everything will be clear in this demo. See, he's asking about the placements in USA because currently he's on F1 and he's
No, Jay,
looking.
actually, informed him like we are not providing the placement out of India, but
Okay.
purely 100% we are providing in India, not for like outside of India.
Okay, okay, Aniket, cool. Yeah, so that's that, Karim. Not outside India, but in India, surely. But Karim, I would say that see, once you get upskilled, right, there shouldn't be any issue with the country. So just try getting a interview after the course. Okay, cool. How many people got placed through this course in before batches, sir? Okay, again, management knows that answer. Okay. I think a lot of them, but still, Aniket would answer that. Cool. Any more questions, guys? Yes, Pawan. So you will get recorded classes and you will get all the notes. Okay. And then you'll get handwritten notes that are taught in the class itself. And you'll get professionally curated notes also with all the diagrams and everything. And you will have access for this for your whole life. Okay. It's a lifetime access for all the notes and all the recorded videos. So no problem with that. Yes, you will get the recorded video of this demo as well, Karim. Okay. Anything else, guys? Is it online or offline? So for now, it's online. So first we'll start with the weekend classes, and then we will start with the weekday classes as well. Yeah, career gap won't be an issue. Okay, as I told earlier as well. Yes, so we have evening batch that's 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and then we have weekend batches in the morning. Okay. But then if some one of you have any timing issues, right, we can make changes in the timing also. Okay. So you will be given a poll for that. So the majority of the people who, opt in for something, that's how we'll proceed. Weekday batch in evening time. Yes, we have weekday batches for evening time also. Right now we have one class at 7 o'clock scheduled. Okay, guys, any more questions? Come on, fire it up. When will be the next batch start? Yeah, so I think next month, like after 12 or 14 days, we'll be starting the new batch. Yeah, syllabus I'll share it with you all in the group. Okay, I'll do it right now. So see, I'll just share the broader one. Okay, because again, once you join the class, I'll be able to disclose everything for you. But before that, it's difficult, right? Because but still, I'll share it with you all. Mm, okay, I've shared it on the group, guys. Please check it out. Anything else, guys? Any more questions? Yes, I'll share the link of the demo video also. Okay, it's still recording. Okay, once it's recorded, once the class ends, I will get the copy of that and I'll share the link with you all. Okay, so you can watch it anytime you want. Okay, guys, any more questions? Yes, I will be your trainer in the regular class. Previous class demo, yeah. Sure. Okay, I'll just share one of the previous class demo as well with you. What technical concepts will be covered in the course? Okay, so I have just shared the whole syllabus with you, okay, on WhatsApp. So you can just go through that. And I've already covered this thing, but still, go through that. You'll have a briefer understanding of what all will be covered. Like, we have introduction, data exploration in MS Excel, SQL, data manipulation, visualization, and then dashboarding and all those things, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, any more questions? Come on, fire it up. Can I have more actual class live demos of like SQL, Power BI, Excel, any 2, 3 demos? Yes, Karim. I'll just share it with you all on WhatsApp. Okay, do watch them out. I'll share like 2, 3, one class of one of SQL, one of Power BI, one of Excel. Not recorded demos. Oh, okay. See, you know, giving demos on all those things. We have batches going on actually. So taking off time again for that would be really difficult, Karim. But there are recorded demo classes. You can watch that. Will be the same. Will be an improved version of what the live class is. That's it. But if you want to, you can attend one of the classes tomorrow, 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. You can attend one class. Tomorrow we are doing Power BI. This. Okay, Karim, no problem. Just let Aniket know that you want to join one class tomorrow. Okay, I'll take care of that. So you can actually join the live batch tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, sure. Just text Aniket after the meeting. He will share you the link. Okay, thank you. Anyone else, guys? Come on. Any more questions? Fire it up fast. No. Dashboard. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dashboarding means yes, grouping and centralizing data and telling the story of the data. I mean, like what this data, what story does this data tell us? Okay, guys. See, again, I'll just clear up things with you. We are not like any other class. Okay, this is completely professional. We have For the theoretical part, we teach it on tablets. What's your current salary package in Amazon, sir? I can't disclose that, but a lot. Okay. So it's very professional. We teach on tabs. We go to, laptops. We have in-house tools. Okay. Um, and templates for your resume, how to clear the ATS, right? These things are very expensive. Like just, single concepts costs you like 10,000 of them. So we are trying to build something here. That's the whole thing. Okay. Okay, Prashant, I can't answer that, but yeah, as I told you, it's a lot. Okay. Okay. Any more questions? Come on, fire it up. Guys, I'll give you 8 more minutes. Okay. Then I have a weekend class today. So I'll have to go. So let's go. 8, 9 more minutes. Okay, Karim. So again, weekly badges are different. The daily badges are different. Okay, we will start your class with a weekly batch, and then we will convert the same into daily batch. And again, about the interview preparation and practical project. Practical projects are a part of your course, and the interview preparation thing, right? Now that would be a special session. That won't be on weekend. It will be, regularly with the class, but that will be a special day. All those sessions will be scheduled on some day, that whichever day that you guys are okay with, because I want everyone to attend them, right? So I just will post like bonus point. Yeah. You will get all those things. Okay, don't worry about that. How does one keep track of customer feedback without asking? I mean, as you have given example of phone, if customer browse and did not buy, how does data analyst keep track? Since there might be thousands of customer browsing and not buying, it sounds quite cumbersome. No, AZ. Again, Amazon is an empire. It's not just a company. Okay, so it's very easy actually. You are a user. Okay, so you have a user ID. You go and search something. Okay, at your user ID, we have what you searched. Okay, at the very next day, we monitor you for a day. Okay, then you searched it, but you did not buy it. That's it. We got a red flag that you did not buy. You searched and you did not buy. That's it. We got your data that you searched, but you did not buy. And we also have a data of what did you see on the screen, so that we can curate it. Now we know that you are not satisfied with whatever was shown at the result page, then other data associates work on training that system. So that's how it works. I can't disclose very much to you because that's all very confidential, but still you get a point, right? And whatever you said, the question, actually it's very easy. You can make the whole system by yourself in like 1 hour. That's not that difficult. Anything else, guys? Come on. Any more questions? Yeah, that is understood. But how does data analyst keep track since millions of customer browse and one? No, 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 no. We don't deal with one-on-one. No, no data analyst ever deals with one-on-one data. Okay, whenever we present a dashboard, it's an aggregate of data. Aggregate means grouped data. Okay, nowhere, no one will deal with one-on-one data, guys. Okay, that's not the work of data analysts, and it's also a compliance with the privacy of customer. Okay, we cannot do that. So we don't even know who the customer is. All right. Do you have any consultancy for marketing? Okay, about that again, Aniket, you ask Aniket about it. Okay, and we deal with millions of customers of data, but it's aggregated. It's not segregated. So aggregated means grouped and presented, that kind. Thank you. Okay, any more questions, guys? Last 4 minutes. Come on, fire it up. 4 more minutes, guys. Come on. Okay, you can also please, let your friends know about this if they want to join. Okay, also show them the demo video. Connect them with Aniket. Okay, obviously. So yes, whatever else you need about the other demo classes videos, okay, I'll share it with you, some of them, and about all the placement regarding queries. There's a message in the group right now. Okay, please contact with Aniket. He'll take care of that. EZ, no, it's completely all right that you're asking queries. Okay, that's how I want the whole class to be very, very interactive. Yes, communication is important. Easy. I don't know your name. I'm really very sorry. It just shows E and Z. Okay. So yes, communication is very important. But I do have some tips I'll give you in the classes when how to increase the communication, how to increase your vocabulary, and how to increase the grammar and everything. Okay, how to improve it, especially. Guys, we have 3 minutes more. Do we have any queries? Focus should be more on grammar or vocabulary. It's not grammar or vocabulary. It's all about your understanding of the language. Okay. It no problem. It's just you should be able to put on the table what is in your mind. So something is in your mind. You have to take it out from your mouth. Okay, and you have to make people understand what you're trying to say. That's it. Now, there might be grammar issue, there might be vocabulary issue, there might be, wording issue, doesn't matter. You just have to make sure that you're able to make people understand. That's it. What other courses will be best to do after BCom? It depends. See, if you want to become a financial analyst, then analyst course is great for you. Okay, but then again, I don't have much knowledge on BCom because I am a uh, computer science engineer. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes. What IT, what course I can go to with less coding with bright future? Uh, that would be data analytics. Okay, very less of coding, and for the next 15 or 20 years, the future also looks good. So let's see. Um, Karim, so the time's up. And, again, please Google SAP, AWS, and DevOps. You'll understand everything about it, because I was here to talk about data analytics more. Okay. Cool, guys. So if you have any other questions or anything related to data analytics or placements or anything, please do reach out to me or Aniket on the phone number. And, please make it fast because we are starting batch 4 very soon. Okay. Cool, guys. Thank you so much for joining the demo class, and I hope I'll see you guys in the actual course. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, and bye bye. I'm ending the meeting now. Thank you.